Okay, this is the start of day 2 here. We're moving this engine out of this 944. I just disconnected the back of the exhaust and pulled that out, so that's out laying in the yard right now. The goal for today is probably, I got a bunch of other stuff I got to do today, so I won't get to work on it a whole lot. But I can probably hook the engine hoist up to the engine, to the pull points there and that one back there. Pull it up a little bit, unbolt the 4 cross member bolts, unbolt the 2 bolts left in the torque tube, and then we'll try to pull it forward a little bit, probably 3-4 inches, just to make sure there's nothing in the back. Well, I mean, I know there's a couple things in the back and under the intake manifold that are pretty darn difficult to get to with the engine where it is, so we'll just slide it forward a little bit and hopefully be able to get that stuff. Might not actually get it out and on the ground today, but it'll at least be disconnected.